Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to see or view your hard drive size on your Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your Start menu and you want to type in Settings. Best result should come back with Settings. Go ahead and open that up and then select the System tile. And then going to the bottom of the system list over here on the left panel, select About, and then on the right side, it will tell you how large your storage is on your drive where Windows is installed. And if you have other drives installed, you may want to open up File Explorer down in your system tray and then select this PC on the left panel. And if you have multiple drives or devices on your system, they should be listed out here. The one that has a little Windows icon is the main one that Windows is installed on, but doesn't mean you don't have external hard drives in here too. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.